Well, the Pelicans have found their new man, Warriors assistant coach Alvin Gentry. He will be the new head coach. It's his 5th stint as a head coach, his most successful run coming back in 2010 when he took the Suns to the Western Conference Finals. Gentry will remain with the Warriors until the end of the NBA Finals. So the Pelicans, led by 22-year-old Anthony Davis, now have a new head coach. Stephen A., here's the question. Do you believe Gentry is the right fit for Davis?
That remains to be seen. I don't think you can say he was the wrong fit. I've known Alvin Gentry for years. Alvin Gentry knows the game of basketball. I believe he can coach. Offensively, this is a guy that presided over the Phoenix Suns. They had the #1 offense one year. They were top 2 additional years. Those are his pluses, combined with the fact that he knows offense. He can be innovative in that way. He's highly respected in terms of coaching the offensive side of the ball. And when you look at the New Orleans Pelicans, and when it comes to Anthony Davis, who was averaging about 59 touches a year, I'm reading an article here where they said forwards like Thaddeus Young, Joakim Noah, Derek Favors, David West, all considerably less talented than Anthony Davis, had the approximate amount of touches. That's simply inexcusable. You got to find a way to get Anthony Davis the ball more. And if anybody can figure that out, it's Alvin Gentry. The flip side to it, however, is that in his 12 years, okay, only four of them were winning seasons. 2 were postseason appearances, and his overall winning percentage was 47%. I believe the number was 335 and 370 as a head coach, even though he was 21-12 in the postseason. That's 57% of his postseason games he won, but only 47% of his regular season games he's won. So once you get a team to the postseason, Alvin Gentry is a guy that can really, really help you flourish because he has opportunity to concentrate on a particular team over the course of a 7-game series. He can do some things. What he does during the regular season remains to be seen, but I'm happy he got this opportunity. I'm happy he's going to have an opportunity to have a talent like Anthony Davis. I think he's going to do some good things with it. I don't think you can dismiss it, but it ain't a box office thing where it's like, wow, Alvin Gentry, now we've arrived.
Yeah.
No, he has things to prove, just like his team has things to prove, but I'm very happy for him. I'm happy he got the opportunity.
Yeah. Like you, I have known Alvin for a long time, back to his days coaching the Pistons. This will be his 5th head coaching position in this league.
12 years, yeah.
I'm here to say, I'm going to borrow a phrase you often use on this show. You want to talk class personified?
That's him.
It's Alvin Gentry.
Yes, sir.
And as associate head coach with the Warriors, he's getting a measure of credit for what they've done on offense and on defense this year. So I do think he had a lot of input. And we've talked about how much credit does Steve Kerr deserve here. Well, Alvin deserves his share of credit also. But I'm with you. When I read that he was taking this job, my first thought was, will this be a leap from Monty Williams? Will this be a glaring upgrade where we'll all sit back and say, boy, they had to make that move? I'm not sure about that because Alvin is low-key. He's not a lightning rod. He's not considered a star coach the way, let's say, a Doc is. Doc's just, you know Doc's there because he's going to say something or do something that makes his presence felt. That's not what Alvin does. Again, can he help young Anthony take it to the next level? I hope so, but I'm with you. Remains to be seen that he'll be a huge upgrade over a Monty Williams, who I still think got a raw deal. I just think he did. He did a good job last year.
Yeah, let's also give Steve Kerr credit for making Alvin Gentry the assistant head coach. Put him in position to get credit so he can get another gig.
Okay, so it's that time. When we come back, we reveal what is in the box. Stay tuned. Stephen A. is surely going to be surprised. That's next. You're excited. Thank you for hanging out with us. It's that time. It's Stephen A.'s special surprise. Stephen A., go ahead, open your gift.
Well, first of all, I want to know who is it from?
You got to look at it first, and then we'll tell you.
I can't stand surprises. I really don't like this. Hold on. Yes! Yes! I know who this is from. I know who this is from, Skip. This is from Freddie Roach.
It is from
Yes,
Freddie
it
Roach.
is. My Tom Ford shoes. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on.
The reveal. Oh, nice. Oh, what? Okay. No? You don't like it?
These are not what I asked for.
Oh
my God.
They only cost $2,000.
I know, but these are not what I asked for.
Why not?
These are beautiful shoes. I do like them. They're very impressive.
Yeah.
Thank you, Freddie Roach.
Yeah, hold them up.
But if you
like
recall,
yeah.
if you recall, I specifically requested them in cherry. It was online. It was black mixed with the cherry.
I have a theory over here.
Tell me your theory.
Yeah.
You know, it was classy for Freddie Roach to go ahead and pay off the bet that he made with you.
Okay.
But we all know, and certainly Freddie Roach knows, that Manny Pacquiao actually won that fight.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't know that.
So maybe I was hoping he would only send you one shoe, because that's all you deserve.
No.
It was one shoe.
I will
So
say
maybe
this.
he just sent,
Even
he sent you a different shoe just to irritate you, because he knows that his guy actually won the fight.
I will say this.
What would you
These shoes
say?
are fly.
They're fly.
They are big time, no doubt about it. And because of that, I won't sweat the fact that he didn't get me the
What color are they? Are they
They're
black and
These are
blue?
black. No,
Oh,
these are
okay.
black. These are black.
All right,
but,
so
but he didn't get me the
what you
color.
wanted, but to that point, he included the following note. It says, "I didn't need your discount. Hope you like my colors. You can exchange if you want." Here is his.
You know
Oh,
what?
so he picked the color, I guess.
He picked the color.
Oh.
Now
That's
you know
his
what?
note for you.
I might keep the
You can
black.
exchange
The
if you
black
want.
does look serious.
Yeah.
I mean, with my this is a time for a blazer. I would have wore the shoes with these today. See, it's a time for a blazer. Right here.
So you're saying that Freddie Roach is actually a better dresser than you are?
No,
'Cause
I'm
he has
saying that I gave him advice.
Yeah.
You know, it was. You got to remember, he wanted these, these kind of shoes himself, but his man did not get the job done. You understand? His man lost the fight.
Oh, his man lost the fight.
So because of that, he had to fess up and pay up. Thank you, Freddie. Thank you, Freddie.
You know what's so funny?
Yeah.
We asked you guys at home what, in fact, you thought the gift would be, and most of you guessed correctly. We didn't read those tweets, but everyone knew that it was Tom Ford shoes.
I had no idea because I was thinking that Freddie was going to send it to my house.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? I didn't know it was going to get here. You know, so somebody had intervened, and that's fine. That's fine because I'm going to take it home with me. You know, I just wish, had it arrived Friday, then I would have been rocking them today with my all black. But it's okay.
Perfect timing for the finals. We're going on the road.
Yeah, no, I know that, but it would have been better to wear it today while we're talking about Freddie Roach, because you see, when we go to the finals, we'll be talking about winners. And that won't include Manny Pacquiao, obviously, so there will be no reason to talk about Freddie Roach.
You mean the guy who clearly won the fight?
Yeah, that's all I'm trying to say.
That's all I'm trying to say. Well, listen. Wait, Freddie Roach said right after the fight, Manny won the fight.
Let's give credit where credit is due. Freddie Roach, unlike some people I know, honors his bet.
I honor my bet.
His bet.
I honor my bet sitting right here.
Freddie
Did I not wear the hat and the
not
T-shirt?
for 2 hours. Not for 2 hours.
I took both of them home and I burned them both.
You burned them both. You burned them
like LeBron's
Freddie
jersey
Roach
burned
honors his bets.
Yes, I did.
Bayless does not.
I burned them both.
That's the problem.
Yeah, I paid off my bet.
You didn't pay off your bet.
We
sent you
appreciate
the wrong color.
You should be ashamed.
We'll have
You should
Freddie
be
on the
ashamed
show
of
in your
please.
future.
You wanted burgundy.